Hi guys, how can you create this natural blue light effect on the face in Photoshop? First, press Ctrl plus J to create a duplicate copy of your image. Next, select the quick selection tool. You can also use the magic wand tool if it works better for your image. Hold the shift key and make multiple selections on the areas where you want the blue light effect to appear. For example, select parts of the face such as the forehead, cheeks, nose, or jawline. Once the selection is complete, press Ctrl plus J to copy the selected areas onto a new layer. Now go to Layer New Adjustment Layer Gradient Map. Open the gradient editor and choose the first gradient preset. Replace the black color stop with a bright blue color and keep the highlight color to white. Press OK. Next, change the blend mode of the gradient map layer. If you want less blue light, you can choose color burn. For a stronger and more vibrant effect, use linear burn. Lower the opacity to around 80% so the effect blends naturally with the skin. Now add a levels adjustment layer. Move the right input slider to around 190 to increase the contrast and make the blue lighting effect stand out more. Finally, hold the shift key and select all the effect layers, then press Ctrl plus G or drag it to the plus icon to add them in a group. And that's it, before be a normal portrait image. After a dramatic blue light effect that adds depth, contrast, and a cinematic atmosphere to the face. That's how you can create a realistic nature blue light effect on a face in Photoshop.